In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and correct way to copy a layer to another file in Adobe Photoshop. If you've ever needed to move a logo, graphic, text layer, or any design element from one project into another, this is the quickest method you can use in 2026. It's simple, clean, and doesn't mess up your layer quality. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any small detail that could save you time. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and tricks. All right, let's get started. First, open both of your files in Photoshop. These are the two documents you'll be working with: the source file that contains the layer you want to copy, and the destination file where you want that layer to go. Make sure both documents are fully open and visible inside Photoshop before moving to the next step. Now, to make this process much easier, go to the top menu and click on Window, then Arrange, and choose To Up Vertical. This will display both documents side by side on your screen. Arranging them like this makes dragging layers between files much faster and more accurate. If you skip this step, you might accidentally drop the layer in the wrong place or into the wrong tab. Once your documents are arranged side by side, go to the Layers panel in your source file. Click on the exact layer you want to copy. Make sure you're selecting the correct layer, especially if your project has multiple layers stacked together. If needed, rename your layers beforehand to avoid confusion. After selecting the layer, press V on your keyboard to activate the Move tool, or manually select the Move tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. This step is important because the Move tool allows you to physically drag content between documents. Now here's the key step. Click directly on the content of the selected layer in your source document. While holding down your mouse button, drag the layer across to the second document window. You'll see your cursor move from one file to the other. Once your cursor is inside the destination document, release the mouse button. And just like that, the layer is now copied into the second file. Photoshop will automatically place the layer into the new document's Layers panel. From there, you can reposition it, resize it using Free Transform with Ctrl or Command+T, or adjust it however you like. The original layer in the first document remains untouched, so you're effectively creating a duplicate in the new file. This drag and drop method is the fastest way to copy layers between files, especially when working on branding projects, social media graphics, thumbnails, or composite designs. And that's it. That's the quickest way to copy a layer to another file in Photoshop using the drag and drop method. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop tutorials in 2026. Let me know in the comments what other Photoshop tips you'd like to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.